Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my cheeseburger bombs along with the sauce. So let's get started. So I preheated my oven at 350. I have a pound of ground beef. I have half an onion diced. I have a half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a third of a cup of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I have 1 egg, and I have 4 ounces of Fiesta cheese, which is a blended cheese. I also have a can of biscuits, and there's 5 big biscuits in here. I have a rolling pin, my baking pan, and parchment paper. So my oven's on 350. I'll open up my can of biscuits. I'll place them on my counter. I have a little bit of olive oil in my frying pan. I'll take my onions and my garlic and saute them. I have my burner on medium. I have a little bit of olive oil in my pan. I have half the chopped onion that I put in. I'll add in my half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. You want to cook this until the onion's a little translucent, and then I'll add my ground beef in. Now I'll add my ground beef in. I'll salt and pepper it. About a teaspoon of each. Drain your ground beef if it's really greasy. Once the ground beef is cooked, that's when I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. You want to break up your ground beef as you're cooking it. It's almost done. You can see all the grease, so I'm going to drain my ground beef, onions, and garlic. I'll turn my burner off and then go drain it. Give it a couple shakes. You can see the grease. Now I'll place it back in my frying pan and place it back on the stove and add in the rest of the ingredients. So back on the stove it goes. Turn my burner back on. I have it on medium. I'll add in my cream cheese. That was a third of a cup. I'll add in the barbecue sauce, the mustard, and the ketchup. I'll mix it all in. So I'm mixing everything all together so it's well combined. Now I'll add in the Fiesta cheese. It's 4 ounces. I'll let that melt in. The Fiesta cheese is a blend of cheeses, which is finely shredded. So I'm mixing it all in so the Fiesta cheese melts in with the ground beef and all the other ingredients. That looks good. So now I'll turn my burner off. I'll let this cool before I put it in my biscuits. Place it on my counter. Now that my ground beef and cheese mixture has cooled, I'll place some on my biscuit. I'll place a little in the middle. I have a little more of that Fiesta cheese that I'll sprinkle on top. Now I'll roll up the biscuit, fold in the sides. Now I'll place it on my baking pan with my parchment paper. I'll continue on with the rest. Seam side down on your parchment paper. A little more cheese. I'm rolling it out thin. Down to the last one. I'll roll it out. This mixture will make about 8 biscuits. This is how much mixture I got left. So it'll fill about 8 biscuits. So now that they're on my baking pan, I have 1 egg. You'll mix it. I'll put egg wash on the top. I'll sprinkle a little more cheese on top. And you'll bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes. So into the oven it goes. My oven's on 350. Now I'll check on them. Oh yeah, looking good. I'll see how they're doing. Almost, waiting for them to get a little golden brown on the top. For my sauce for my cheeseburger bombs, I have 1 cup of beef broth. I'll place it in my pot. Put my burner on medium. Let that come to a boil. While I'm waiting for my beef broth to come to a boil, I'll add in 1 tablespoon of the brown gravy mix. I'll mix that in. I like to pour this on top of the cheeseburger bombs. Now that it's come to a boil, I'll add in a teaspoon of the kitchen bouquet. I'll eyeball it. I'll lower my heat to simmer. Now I'll add in a tablespoon of the Wondra flour. I just want to thicken it up. I'll turn my burner off. And the sauce is done. And this is what it looks like. You can see how nice and thick that is. So now I'll check on my cheeseburger bombs in the oven. Oh yeah, they're ready to come out. They're nice and golden brown. The cheese melted on top. They really smell good. So now I'll put one on a plate and give it a try. So now I'll put one on my plate to give it a try. So now I'll give it a try. I'll cut it in half. You can see the inside, how nice that looks. I'll put a little of the sauce on the corner. Give it a bite. That's good. They're really, really good. Deserves a second bite. I'll try it without it. So good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my cheeseburger bombs with my sauce. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.